The narrative describes the historical development of railways, detailing a transformative period in mining and transportation. It begins in the 1500s in Germany, where miners struggled with the arduous task of transporting heavy loads of coal and metal ores from deep within the earth to the surface. The unsatisfactory conditions led to the innovation of wooden railways or wagonways. Wooden beams were laid on the ground, and wagons with wheels that could grip these beams were introduced, revolutionizing productivity and ease of transport. By the early 1600s, the concept had reached England, particularly where coal demand was burgeoning. In Nottingham around 1604, the construction of the Walladon Wagonway marked one of the earliest recorded railways in England. These railways were markedly different from the iron structures we know today, consisting purely of wooden rails, wooden wagons, and horse-driven conveyance, yet they signified an innovative leap forward. The coal mines in Newcastle upon Tyne soon became prolific with these wooden wagonways. The efficiency increased substantially as a horse that previously pulled a ton could now pull upwards of 4 or 5 tons along the wooden tracks. However, wooden rails had notable limitations as they were down and splintered under persistent use. By the advent of the 1700s, improvements emerged with the introduction of iron straps nailed onto wooden beams, known as plateways, which offered increased durability and efficacy. This subsequently led to complete cast iron rails replacing the wood altogether. This fundamental shift laid the groundwork for further engineering triumphs as inventors like Richard Trevithick began experimenting with steam-powered locomotion. Trevithick's 1804 steam locomotive in South Wales signified the pivotal move from wooden to iron railways. George Stephenson further propelled this industrial shift with engines racing across England, forever changing transportation by carrying passengers, coal, and invigorating the industrial era. The long-forgotten wooden railways, though mostly obscured by time, were indispensable precursors to contemporary rail systems. They laid the essential foundation and spearheaded the eventual emergence of the railway age, fueling industrial progress and evolving into the advanced steel and steam rail systems worldwide.